Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create smooth microwave zoom in and zoom out in After Effects. First get ready with your face trick twixter clips. If you don't know how to create the microwave twixter effect, check out my last tutorial. First of all, create an adjustment layer. Now add S_blur curves. Put a keyframe for Z at 1 in the beginning. Go to the middle of the layer and set it to 0.750. Now go to the end of the layer and set it back to 1. Press U on your keyboard, select all the keyframes and press F9 to apply easy ease. Open the graph editor and copy my graph. Move the center point to the character's nose. And your smooth microwave zoom in effect is ready. Now for the microwave zoom out, create another adjustment layer. Add S_blur curves. Put a keyframe for Z at 0.700 at the start. Go to the end and copy and paste the first keyframe. Select both keyframes and press F9 to apply easy ease. Open the graph editor and copy my graph. Adjust the center point to the character's nose. And your microwave zoom out effect is ready. You can duplicate the adjustment layer and place it onto your other clips to save time. And that's how you create smooth microwave zoom in and zoom out effects for your edit. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more After Effects tutorials. I will see you in the next one.